What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl RimbyD. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am so excited for this video. Like, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video so that your girl can reach more people. You know the vibes. But anyway, we have a very exciting unboxing. Before we get to all the details, I'd just like to give a huge shout out to Shuki. I've worked with them before on my previous video and they were like, girl, we liked your video, so here's another one. Okay, so they gifted me another pair of sneakers this time around, and I am so excited. So Shuki is a company based in China. They have their own website. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, from their website, their WhatsApp number, their Instagram handle, and all the reviews from customers, you know, so that you guys can get to know them before you actually buy something. And yeah, of course, yeah, I'm so excited for this unboxing. And of course, I have a discount code for you guys. So the code is Rimby for $15 off on any purchase. So it's Rimby for $15 off. So today we're unboxing the, okay, let me just show you guys the box. So it came in this box right here. So this is the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. So this is a replica, you guys, you know, it's a replica, but I love it. The quality is so great. I was wowed when it got to me. I was like, what? I've never owned a Nike Air sneaker before, so this is gonna be my first. So let's do the unboxing. So it comes in this box, so you can see there is the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. I'm a size UK 5 and it's in the color of white. So this is the packaging, and then when you open the box, the first thing you see is shoelaces. So they gave me 3 extra shoelaces. Let's open. The first one is this off-white color and they're written shoelaces. The next one is this black one, and then is this lime? I think it's lime. Yeah, there's a lime. And then when you open the box, I'm so excited. This is the box, you guys. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? So these are the shoes. Oh my god. Okay, I want to show you guys what's in the box first. These are the shoes. Okay, so this is how the shoes look like. Stunning. Wow. But anyway, this is how the shoe looks like. Isn't she cute? Isn't she giving what she's supposed to give? This shoe is so cute, and the fact that my feet are tiny just makes it even cuter. Like, just look at her. So this is my new Air Jordans. Honestly, the quality is amazing. You won't even tell that it's a replica unless you know sneakers that well. And for me, I don't really care because I'll be looking good and not breaking the budget, you know. So this is how they look in the front. The quality is super amazing. You can even just see here, super duper cute. I always go for black shoes, but this time around I was like, you know what, let me get out of my comfort zone and get something cute, something different that I've never had. So this is me taking a chance and ending up loving it. This is how they look at the bottom. So like I told you, this is a UK size 5. Stunning. It's just stunning. Let me show you the other one. I am obsessed. That's all I can say. Really obsessed. So I have a total of 4 shoelaces. What a bargain, right? Such a bargain. So yeah, guys, I really love this shoe. Haven't worn it, of course. I only tried it on and I was amazed. And they also put this I don't know what this is, child, but anyway, it helps the shoe to keep its original shape. Okay, I can't put it back. Okay, there you go. So here we go, guys. Stunning. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And like I said, these are a replica, but I love them. They're so affordable. So please do check out Shoekey, guys. It's shoekey.co. You'll find them, or you can just click the link in my description box. You'll find everything that you also sell replica designer shoes, so that if that's what you like, you can also get it from their website. And they also have a lot. They have like Nike, they have, what other shoes is there? Wow, I don't remember. But anyway, they just have a lot. So please do check out their link and everything. This is so cute. Like, I even have an outfit, and like I even have an idea of an outfit that I'm gonna wear. I think that would look cute with this top, yeah. Are the combos communicating? I think that this color would look cute with these shoes. But yeah, those are the shoes, you guys. I love them so much. Let me get a thumbnail picture. Okay, yeah. I think these are so cute. But anyway, guys, made it to this part of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check out Shoekey, and you know, also get your affordable sneakers, you know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you on my next video.